if you still soak your henna hair packs like this with just plain water, then please watch this video because I'm going to tell you how I do it for long, strong and shiny hair. This is a secret Ayurvedic formula which will change your hair forever. Hi everyone, this is Sushmita, your personal hair care expert, and you are watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. You can subscribe to my channel or follow me on Instagram for more such hair care videos. So let's quickly see how to make this secret DIY Ayurvedic solution for gorgeous looking hair. First, I'm going to pour around 1 liter of water in a pan and switch the flame on. To this, I will add kalonji seeds, also known as mangrel or black seeds. They are actually onion seeds that help with not just your hair growth but also gives a great color. Then goes some fenugreek seeds, again extremely good for hair growth and thickness. I also add rosemary leaves, guys. This is an absolute game changer. You can use fresh leaves if you have, or the dried ones as I'm doing here. I'm going to link down the product in the description box just in case if you wish to buy it online. Rosemary triggers the hair follicles to make new hair. It also repairs the damaged hair cuticles, making the hair stronger after several colors or chemical treatments that you must have gone through. Then goes some curry leaves for thicker hair. They're easily available in every Indian kitchen. I also add hibiscus flowers to this formula. Trust me guys, it really gives a beautiful color and shine to the hair. And at the last, adding 2 tablespoons of tea leaves. I got these organic tea leaves from a northeastern friend of mine, who stays in Assam, and she had sourced these leaves directly from a tea farm. You can use the regular tea leaves that you have in your kitchen. Now let it all simmer on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Fragrance, I tell you, is so heavenly, rich herbal aroma that you experience in those upmarket tea bars. And after 15 minutes, the color has changed completely, as you can see here. Now switch off the flame and let this cool down completely. So it's been almost 1 hour and this herbal tea has cooled down completely. The herbs have infused so well in the water. It's time to strain the mixture into a jar. This is so fragrant and has a nice rich color. You can keep this in the fridge for up to 7 days. For soaking the henna, as usual, I am going to use an iron bowl or a lohe ki kadai. This will drastically improve the results. I do not recommend soaking henna in a glass container or a plastic container. Do soak henna in a lohe ki kadai if you really want rich color. Now I'm using high quality organic henna as per the length of my hair. Guys, this is 100% natural organic henna from my own herbal hair care brand. I source it fresh and directly from henna farms located in Sojat, Rajasthan. I'm planning on to launch my brand very soon, but if you wish to try it out, do let me know in the comments. I will share the details and I'm sure you would love it, because this premium quality henna is so much different from the regular henna brands that you get in grocery stores. Now we are going to pour our secret Ayurvedic solution little by little and make a smooth lotion like paste like this. We need this kind of consistency, and now you have to keep it at least for 8 hours or maybe overnight. Okay, so it's been the next day already and our henna has been soaking really well. I will show you how it is releasing color. So in a matter of a few seconds, the pigment has stained my skin, and the best part is that it is all natural, no dyes, no nothing, 100% organic. Now apply this section by section on your clean hair to cover grays. The most common concern that people have is that after applying henna, the hair becomes really dry. So guys, what you must really do is rinse the henna after 2 to 3 hours with plain water only. Don't use any shampoo. And after air drying, apply hair oil thoroughly. You can use almond oil or coconut oil, whatever oil you use, and let it remain in your hair for at least 8 hours or maybe overnight. And shampoo and condition only after that. This will not just lock the color but will also hydrate the hair. So do try this hack out, guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.